This is Ayush, and today we are going to have a very great demonstration on how things actually are working on dark web and how fake vaccines are actually exploding on dark web and infiltrating Indian markets, and it's being getting available to the users, and how actually they are running and deviating people from surface web to visit their websites on dark web, how they are actually proving themselves that they are genuine, and how they can actually force you or almost they can make you believe that they have the cure, right? So we are from Unknowns Lab. At Unknowns Lab, we work on three major verticals. We work in cyber security. We have data AI based data driven apps. Dark Eye is one of those apps. We have 360-degree monitoring capability in dark web. If there is any information or any conversation which is going on dark web, on forums, or even on private forums and markets, private markets as well, we can find it within few of our clicks, and within few clicks we will be going through 45 billion data records at once. So let's quickly have a look what we have to offer, sorry. So this is the dashboard, and as you can see on the dashboard, we can search anything on the dark web. Let's say we search for corona vaccine. As these results are being processing out of 45 billion staggering amount of records, it is gonna take 15 to 20 seconds at max. And as well as any real-time result which is on dark web or deep web, we will be getting that only. We have a segment over here called discussion board. If there is any kind of information or intelligence keyword that we would like to look into, let's for example corona vaccine, we can search that on our discussion board. Our results are ready. We can see the top countries. Most of the sellers have hidden their countries, they are not specifying it, and top sellers who are talking about corona vaccine on the dark web. We can see few things over here. Interestingly, there is someone who is offering hitman service for corona on dark web, and there is the vaccine. So we are gonna open these both of the results. Let's first look into the propaganda they are spreading over dark web. I'm gonna open those this link in a special browser. This browser is called Tor. Anyone can download this browser to view Tor, but we suggest our viewers not to go ahead, because all of these sites are being mostly run from illegal hackers and people who want to dupe money out of you. So this person is offering a hitman service with corona, and you will be paying this guy money in most probably cryptocurrency like BTC, and this person will be asking you information of the person who you want to infect, or let's say get infected with this coronavirus. Although this can be completely fake, this can be a complete fake page, or it can be somebody real offering real services in some part of the world. So that is the point of investigation, right? We can continue to our second part, which is the vaccinate. So interestingly, we can see email services and addresses which do points towards Wuhan and China. The email service these people are using for selling these fake vaccines are from our Proton Mail. Proton Mail is a China-based service which do not comply with Indian laws and regulation. So this is the page, fake phishing page they have made to dupe you out of your money. You can see the information on these images in the file has been completely blurred, so that you cannot understand anything what these files are for. And you can also see how to order this. So in the instructions, the last instruction you can see is BTC only, please, because obviously these are fake people. These are fake who do not want to be get traced after they dupe you out of your money. On their contact us page, we can see their Proton Mail service. They use Proton Mail because it is very hard to get information from Proton Mail, and you can see this BTC address over here. This address is gonna be a new address for each person who visits this page. A new address is gonna be generated, so that these people, this is the so that it gets hard to actually trace them, right? Once you put any amount of money in this BTC address, it will stay there for a while. These are temporary addresses. and after that this money will be transferred to their main BTC address where the hacker have stored their stuff. So, and this process can take as long as 1 year. So it is not easy like pray and spray techniques to catch these people. So that is why we highly recommend that you stay away from any such kind of information on open web or the dark web to purchase any vaccine or any ready-made stuff to get a coronavirus cure. Right? Thank you.